A very good evening, Zimbabwe. Masquera say, welcome to this program, and let us talk about what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. So we have seen some additionals onto the parliamentary seats in Harare. Remember earlier we said that there are 4 outstanding seats which were not yet declared, but we have seen the declarations this evening, and I'm going to confirm about these declarations. There is Traso Chikomo of Churu constituency. He has won his seat. Churu constituency has gone to Triple C. He won by around 16,000. The other Triple C bogus candidate, he had around 2,000, which means without that, we would have seen Triple C winning by nearly 18,000 votes. But it is what it is. We have finally won that seat. Traso Chikomo was subjected to harassment. His supporters were attacked. They were tortured. He was arrested for doing door-to-doors. His car was burned. And he reported matters to the police, but the police didn't act. He remained vigilant, and he tried by all means possible to make sure that he wins Churu. And he did it. He brought Churu Farm home, and he is now duly elected as the member of parliament for Churu constituency. That is a plus for Triple C. We were at 23. Now we have added another, as well as Harare, the constituency, Harare West as well. And she did so well. She won by around 18,000 votes, and she defeated Mangwemani Kombo Msangari Poayaya. And it's a very, very, very important issue to note that as Triple C, we are progressing well. We are doing quite well, and making sure that ZANU PF does not get power on a silver platter. So Team Zimbabwe, change is coming to the nation of Zimbabwe. As we have been saying, we know that there are challenges. There are several issues which are happening or which were happening, but we have an upper hand in this election. So it's Churu, it's Harare West, all added onto the platter. So I'm trying here to check the other constituencies which we won. I'm not so sure about the other. I've forgotten the names of other 2 constituencies, so that we check what happened there. So is this one Zimbabwe Trukuti Faz was there. Trukuti Sisu irregularities were there. Trukuti, a lot of things happened. But what happened at last is that we won the Harare elections. So Joanna Mamombe won by 18,141, and the fake citizen CC candidate got 1,395. And this was not a double candidate; it was a fake. And the ZANU PF got 3,453. Aiwa ndokunonzi kurakashwa ndokunonzi kudamburwa. Saka it's unfortunate enough that Kubulilima we lost. Belekezela Maplanga lost in Bolilima. However, we won the majority of the wards in Bolilima. There, it's another issue of concern. Then, overall, we have seen a lot of IC leaders, and we'll continue to give you updates. So what I'll do is that I'll find out on the remaining 2 stations in Harare, and I'll come back and give you updates on them, because I have not seen the actual results of the 2 remaining areas in Harare. So another issue, I want to send my congratulations to the Honorable of Norton, Richard Changirai. He massacred and he defeated the loudmouth Themba Mliswa. Themba Mliswa thought that he was untouchable. Themba Mliswa thought that people were not going to remove him, but our Honorable Changirai did well. He defeated Themba Mliswa. He managed to beat Themba Mliswa hands down. We had seen a lot of ZANU PF people saying that it was not possible for Triple C to take Norton, but fortunate enough, we did won Norton. So another issue, my sister Kadimbaonga in Sunningdale, she did well, and we talked about her in the afternoon. So Another issue we talked about was about the gold mafia. The Scott Sakupkanya, he was defeated in Mavuku, Tafara, and that was indeed another blow for the regime, because vese vanhu vanga vachifungidzira kuti vangabuda vese vakazvambaradzwa, zvinova zvinhu zvatinotenda. So isusu tiri kuti vana vezimbabwe, handei tinopemberera mutungamiriri wenyika manje. Saka ngatigadzirirei tirambe tichinamata, tirambe takamira pamusoro peshanduko yezimbabwe, because isusu tiri kuti shanduko yauya, asi kuti inoda newe kuti tinge takabatana, tinge tichishandira pamwe chete, kuti tigone kuziva zviri kufanira kunge zvichiita zimbabwe, mafambiro ari kufanira kunge achiita zimbabwe. Tinotenda vese, I think everybody who participated in this election, everybody who financed this election, who donated, everybody who stood as an agent under difficult circumstances. Remember that some agents were even called, vachivhundudzirwa vachiita sei, and all those issues, under all those circumstances, you see some people standing in solidarity. That alone is a sign that indeed Zimbabweans now need change, Zimbabweans now demand change. So Team Zimbabwe, I have brought this update. Churu constituency in the Harare West, we have won